Right now, from the Mississippi Live Weather Center, here's meteorologist Gabe Maynor.
Heat continues to be the theme for our work week, and that extends all the way through Thursday. And yes, you see it there all the way through Friday as well. I'm meteorologist Gabe Maynor taking you through that Mississippi Live weather forecast. Heat advisories in place for all of us here in North Mississippi. And if you're not under a heat advisory, extreme heat warnings remain in effect for Tunica, Quitman, Coahoma, and Tallahatchie County. So stay safe, stay hydrated, and find ways to stay cool. And one of the best ways to do that is during those overnight hours. Make some late night plans or maybe early morning plans, because that's when temperatures will feel the best. We're 82 by 9, 79 by midnight, and during those pre-dawn hours, we're going to be in the mid to upper 70s. While a chance of a shower is possible during the late hours of our Wednesday, those chances starting to dissipate out overnight as well. Futurecast showing those chances up more towards far northeast Mississippi, maybe even a few rumbles of thunder mixing in as well. That extends more towards Marion and Franklin County by 10, 11 o'clock on your Wednesday night. And as we get into those Thursday pre-dawn hours, clouds not showing up as much, and that's going to be perfect for the Perseid meteor shower if you want to get out there and view that for yourself. The cloud cover does look to build a little bit more, while a large part of this will be those thin, wispy clouds. Some more of those cumulus, or at least denser clouds, could develop by the morning commute, so that will hinder the viewing experience by a bit, but overall, we do still have a little window of opportunity for all of us here in North Mississippi. 77 Tupelo and Amory to start out our Thursday, 75 Boonville and Iuka, 78 Grenada and Greenwood, and 80 degrees in Greenville. That tells you how warm things are. By the afternoon, we're really going to be ramping that up into the upper 90s for those Thursday afternoon high temperatures. We continue that into Friday, Saturday, with triple digits on the horizon into our Sunday. Sunny skies, though, it's going to be beautiful, but you do have to find ways to beat the heat and stay safe, as that remains a big story, and as temperatures reach values that we have not seen in 2026 just yet. We're talking all the latest details on that forecast at 9 and 10 tonight, right here from the Mississippi Live Weather Center, so keep it here for the very latest.
When C.K. Little opened his doors in downtown Corinth nearly 80 years ago, his plan was simple: deliver excellent service and exceed expectations. That's why we say a little gift goes a long way.
Half off all furniture, motion, and mattresses.
Plus another extra 10% off.
And 20% off accessories.
And 4 years special financing.
I need to lie down.
Labor Day savings that'll leave you speechless at Room to Room.